What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another brand new video, guys.
Our voices echoed around that.
Yeah. So today, I'm with Turkey Legs.
I'm with B-Rock07, and what are we doing?
We're gonna go behind the fence.
Yeah,
I don't even know what part this is gonna be for me.
Yeah.
I filmed a couple, but I never got to upload them. So I guess this will be like 3 or 4 on my channel.
Yeah, mine's part 8.
Oh yeah.
Because I did a part 6, so it's at 9. So go and check it out.
Oh yeah.
It's good.
I remember you went part 6. Oh, hurry across. Go. Don't let him see us. Go! We're safe. Holy cow, that was a... Shh. Oh my gosh. Dude. Yeah. We need to chop all these out. Yeah. Imagine if someone just came back with a leaf blower and went. Can you hold this one, right?
Yeah.
Face it toward me.
Okay. I don't know what that's like.
Leaves.
Whoa.
You know what? That's it. Leaves over the fence. Like people are like, just what? Oh my gosh. I don't know. Here, I'll follow you.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Or do you want me to go first?
You can go first.
Alright. Follow me. Go, go, go. Dude, they're right there. People are... I literally said a prayer. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go investigate. Sounds like gunfire.
It's a gunshot. Yo, this is very close.
Oh, right there.
Oh, what?
Hang on. Is that him? That's shooting? Oh no, that guy's unloading dirt. I can't see.
Yeah, I can't see either. Dude, I think we should get out of here.
Dude, oh my gosh, we should get out of here!
Go.
Oh my god! Hide. Shh. Make sure they don't see us. Go! Oh my gosh! Dude, those are gunfires! Those were gunfires! Oh my gosh!
Yogi. Okay.
Those were gunfires!
Oh my gosh.
Dude, no joke.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna title this one "Going Behind the Fence." Hashtag gunfires. Heard.
Okay.
Okay.
Please
That,
subscribe, like button. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. Subscribe to B-Rock07.
Subscribe to Turkey Legs.
I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
See you next one. Bye.